Welcome everyone. We are opening our 16th or 17th, I think it is, eBazaar, and it's on our favorite topic of smart manufacturing or smart factories. We have a stellar lineup of speakers from Sweden, France, and US with us today. And I would argue this is probably the area where we have most members of things among the tech companies. So it's great to have the speakers here as well. I will talk to you a couple of minutes just to make sure that we let people in properly. So you probably know that Things is about 7 years old. We are doing deep tech in industry, infrastructure, utilities, and mobility. We are self-financed and we have about 100 members, 50-50 tech companies and corporates from Tokyo to Silicon Valley. We have our sole purpose is actually to enable solid, sustainable business relationships between corporates or established companies and tech companies, which is to say the opposite to POCs, which we don't really like. We think POCs have a tendency to become either theater or maybe primarily waste of time for both parties. So we are really after the real business relationships. And one of the tools that we have developed to do that is to allow up to six of our members in a specific topic present to our network around the world of potential customers, partners, investors, analysts, and sometimes a couple of journalists as well. So that's the whole idea with our eBazaars. We also, since spring, we are members of the Deep Tech Alliance, which is a great initiative in Europe, where we try to accelerate our deep tech companies here, primarily by meeting corporates and getting into business with them. We are 8 countries right now represented, and we just finalized our first acceleration program, which was under Industry 4.0. We had 18 companies and 12 corporates doing that, and it was very successful. So let's talk about the eBazaar now. I think everybody has come now.